Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some healthy and delicious moi moi. It is super easy and I know you guys are going to enjoy it. So these are the list of the ingredients and they will be in the description box. I will be making some salmon and egg moi moi. So you're going to place all of your ingredients into a blender. I'm using chickpeas. You can use the regular black-eyed peas, but it must be shelled or as much as possible. Then you are going to wrap that in leaf preferably. However, that takes time and I'm all about quick, easy. And so we are going to use our ramekin dishes for this one. And I'm adding my seasoned salmon. It is fresh and is nicely seasoned. This is a mixture of egg with salmon. I'm just going to do some with salmon only, egg only, and just the plain moi moi. Different kind of variations, all right? So our next step is to pour the moi moi right over. Make sure the moi moi batter is really smooth. Then our next step is to spray some foil paper and cover. Place that in the water, and we are going to bake for we're going to bake it at 360 degrees oven for about 35 minutes and leave it to cool for an additional 15. And this is what it looks like. All right. Thank y'all for spending the time with me today. You guys do enjoy, and I love y'all. See y'all in the next video.